It was the most quickest, devastating beat down a country ever got. And he just wiped, they just came in trenches. It was worse than an insurance. What do you think, Al?
Seems like a nice turnout. Really nice turnout. Buddy Frank's still there. He's already something about that. Oh, you did. That's right.
So silly. They might just do it. Everywhere down.
Absolutely, Rainy.
Charlie Davis. Number 47, 54. Come up and check your numbers if you get a chance, and you're having a one door prize yet. We've got more to give away, and we'd love to get to you. Your door prize at the end of the day will be the two-bedroom farmhouse for a week on July 2nd to the 9th in 2023 of June. We appreciate your coming out to this Veterans event, and we encourage you to turn your choice for tickets for the trophies. Best man, best work, all that stuff, and best of the show. We appreciate your attention. And you.